This is our Whirlpool refrigerator here at the Hangout deck. Sometimes these things are kind of a pain in the butt, and it's just because Whirlpool is kind of that way. So I'm having a hard time closing the drawer, and a lot of times it's because there's a bunch of ice that built up and it probably didn't close all the way and it started to melt. This drawer is kind of difficult to remove, but a lot of times when you look back here, there might be like a block of ice that prevents you from closing it. So let me reach back here. So a lot of times it's that. That's what we found is like a very common problem. So what we'll do is go ahead and close it, and see now it's closed all the way. All right, we're gonna remove the bottom shelf of the freezer. There's a bunch of ice. Can't remove it, it's a pain in the ass. So you gotta pull the fridge out, and then because there's really not enough space here, we're gonna tilt it. See, we're tilting the fridge that way. There's also 4 screws right here. You'll need to unscrew that. Those, so just take those. Take that and unscrew it. I don't think you need to unscrew it all the way. I think we could just slide it up. Right? Yeah. Yep. Then you can take this. Oh, that was a pain in the ass. Whew, that was a lot of work, but we are clean. We're gonna try to keep that on off so that way no excess ice is coming over. Clean that really good. Take this and just put it over here. Got all the excess ice out. Oh, that's good. This little thing is going to end up going over this little hump over here. Yeah, that's the problem. We didn't do this. This needs to jump over that part. This needs to go over here. You know, we just got to align the screws to these things right here. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah. Tighten it up. We did it!